Good morning, grade 9. We are doing topic 7, that is coordinate geometry. We have done 7.1. Now, before we go to 7.2, in previous video we have seen something related to line which is parallel to x and y axis. So today let's revise it little bit. Now see, first of all, you need to write all these 4 points in your notebook. Okay, this will help you a lot to answer your MCQs and also in competitive exams. Alright. This is basic, just see. We have seen this in detail in previous video. This is just a revision. Equation of x-axis. So only x-axis if you think, then equation of x-axis is always y equal to 0. Because y coordinate on x-axis will be 0. Alright. Now let us speak about equation of line which is parallel to x-axis. See, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Parallel to means either the line will be here or it will be here. We have two options, 1 and 2. Alright. So if the line is parallel to x-axis, then its equation generally is y is equal to b, because x coordinate will be 0. For here, for every, it won't be 0. For every point on the line, y coordinate will be same. Here also y coordinate will be same. You take any point on the line, we have seen yesterday. Alright. So, for x-axis, equation is y is equal to 0. Because if you take x-axis over here and if you match it with y-axis, then here y coordinate will be 0. Now if you consider a line which is parallel to x-axis, then there are two options. Either the line is above x-axis or it is below x-axis. If the line is above x-axis, then its equation is y is equal to b, where b will be any number or value which is over here. For example, if it is 1 over here and if it is 2 over here, we will say y is equal to 2. If the line is below x-axis, alright, below x-axis, then y will be equal to minus b. So minus sign indicates line is below x-axis. Plus sign indicates it is above x-axis. Because see, this would be minus 2, no? Coordinate of this point. Value of this point, it is below. So y-axis coordinate will be minus 2. And therefore equation will be y is equal to minus b. Now coming on to equation of x-axis, y-axis. If this is y-axis, its x coordinate is going to be 0. And therefore equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now if the line is parallel to y-axis, let us take another possibility. These are your x-axis and y-axis. Now if this is y-axis, there are two possibilities. Either the line may lie towards the right hand side or left hand side. So this is your right hand side, this is first line, and this is your left hand side. So this is first and this is second. Okay, this is first and this is second. So if equation of line parallel to y-axis, which is on the right side of y-axis, this is your y-axis, towards right hand side, equation is x is equal to a. All values will be positive over here. And if it is lying towards the left hand side of y-axis, it will be x is equal to minus a. So you are going to remain 6 equations. Y equal to 0, x-axis. Y equal to b, parallel to x-axis, above it. Y is equal to minus b, parallel to x-axis, below x-axis. Equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. Equation of line parallel to y-axis, x is equal to a. If it is positive, it is on the right hand side of y-axis. X is equal to minus a. If it is negative over here, then it is towards the left hand side of y-axis. If you know the 6 things, these two questions are so easy. Just see, now we are doing 7.2. See the first question. First question we have already done. Now this is question 2. Write the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. So the line is parallel to y-axis. That means either it will be x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. So x is equal to something would be there if it is parallel to y-axis. At a distance of 7 units from it to its left hand side. If it is left, we have to give minus sign. And how much is the distance? It is 7. So your equation would be x is equal to minus 7. Have you understood? Now, write the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis. Now, if the line is parallel to y-axis, equation is y is equal to something. So, first you write y is equal to something. Now, what is that something? It is at a distance of 5. So, write 5. from it and it is below x-axis. If below is there, which sign is there? minus. So write y is equal to minus 5. So equation would be y is equal to minus 5. Have you understood, everybody? Okay. So write it clearly. Here y is equal to minus 5. This is your equation. I hope it is clear now. Alright. You understood why there is minus sign here also. Okay. Fine. Let's go to the next question. Now see students, look at question 4. Point Q minus 3 minus 2 lies on a line which is parallel to y-axis. First let us plot this point. Now see, both signs are over here negative. That means it is short. Here is also negative and here is also negative. So the point is going to lie on the third quadrant. So let us first mark the point. X coordinate is minus 3 over here. So I am doing it freehand. You should use scale. If graph paper is available, do it on the graph paper, or you draw this coordinate system and then draw it. Okay, both ways. And minus 2 y-axis. Minus 2 y-axis means it is going to be like this. So this is the point of intersection. This is your point Q. I hope you know what is this. So this is point Q and you have to write the coordinates. Minus 3, minus 2. Okay. So we got minus 3 and minus 2. So this is point Q. Everyone is knowing that. Now I am just erasing this coordinates because it would be a lot of mess over here. So let me make it very clear. This is point Q. Now see. This point is lying on a line which is parallel to y-axis. If it is going to lie on y-axis, line parallel to y-axis, that means its x coordinate will be minus 3 everywhere. So we have to draw a line. Use the scale, students. And the line is going to go through minus 3 like this and point also. Now see, this line is parallel to y-axis. This is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Alright. So this line is parallel to, it lies on the line which is parallel to y-axis. And we know that. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. This is the graph we have drawn. Now equation of the line which is parallel to y-axis. Look over here. Equation of line which is parallel to y-axis. So there are two options. X is equal to a, x is equal to minus a. So first we will write the equation. X is equal to something. This is towards which hand side? Left hand side. So it should be minus a. And what is the coordinate? 3. Minus 3. So equation is x is equal to minus 3. This is the equation of the line. And this point, it is minus 3 comma minus 2. This point is lying on this line. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. So y is equal to minus 3 should be your equation. Alright. Shall we go for the last question? Fifth question? No, 2 are there. Fifth and sixth. Let's see. Now look at this question. Y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4. There is some mistake in textbook. Please correct it. Y-axis and line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. These two can be parallel lines. Alright. This line cannot be parallel to x-axis. Are you understanding me? Okay, fine. Now see, x is equal to minus 4. That means it is in this form. The line is always parallel to y-axis. Let us draw. X is equal to minus 4 means the line is going to pass through minus 4 like this. This is the required line. Okay. The question is that, what is the distance between them? What is this distance? This line is L. What is the distance between them? It is 4 units. Distance is never negative. You mind well. Alright. So what you should be writing is that, first is line x is equal to minus 4. So this line is, I'll just write and then you see. See students what I have written. The line, that means x is equal to minus 4. This line is parallel to y-axis first and it is on its left hand side. Okay, so equation of this, that is why it is minus 4. This is x is equal to minus 4. Alright. It is on its left hand side at 4 units. And distance between them is 4 units. Here negative sign will not come. Distance is always positive. Alright. And therefore you have x is equal to minus 4 is equation. And distance between them is 4 units. Up till here is it clear? So this was your fifth question. I think that's all for today students. Please stay home, stay safe and study regularly. Thank you.